Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a what's in my bag spring edition. I feel like nobody films these videos anymore, but they're so much fun to watch and I'm a very curious and nosy person, so I love seeing what other people have in their bag. So I decided to film it myself. So this is my bag right here. It is from Teddy Blake and I will link the style number down below and I'll also put it right here so you guys can see which one it is. But it's a really nice like taupey neutral color. I feel like this is going to be perfect for spring, summer, winter, and fall. It's very versatile and it's made in Italy and it is real leather. So I will link this down below. I do have a coupon code as well that will give you an extra $20 off. And let's go into my bag. I haven't cleaned this out and I don't even know what's in here. So as you can see, there's a lot going on and trust me, I did not try and organize this for the video. Whatever's in here has been in here. So the first thing I'm going to pull out, this is funny. This is an Urban Decay napkin and I went to an event a couple of weeks ago and I took one of the napkins because I thought it was really cute. So it's a napkin that says Urban Decay and I have it in my purse. I also have my wallet in here. This is a Michael Kors wallet and I got this for Christmas a couple of years ago, but just a simple black Michael Kors wallet. Oh, I have this in here from NYX. This is a liquid suede kit. It's a 3-piece set, and I'm actually giving this to my friend Michaela because she loves red lips, and I cannot pull it off. A lot of you guys say I can, but I still think that I can't. So I am giving this to her, and I put it in my purse so I would remember to give it to her. I also have a body spray in here. This is from Victoria's Secret, and this is the Lush Palm Fragrance Mist. I love these fragrances just because they're so light. They do not last all day. They're not as strong as an actual perfume, but they are very nice to just like throw in your bag because they smell really good, very tropical and fruity, and I love these sprays. So I have this one, and it just smells, ooh, it just smells so good. It kind of smells like fresh out of the shower, but it also smells very tropical and beachy. Best way to describe that. So Lush Palm, highly, highly recommend. Let's see what else I have in here. Oh, I have a lotion. This is the Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Bum Bum Cream, and it's just a little mini size. I love traveling with this because anytime I want to put moisturizer on my hands or my arms or my legs while I'm in the car, I will use this because it smells heavenly. It's like pistachio, caramel, vanilla. It's just a very sweet scent, and it reminds me of summer. So I have that in there. I also have a Luna bar. This looks pretty crushed. I have a Luna bar. This is my favorite one. It's called Chocolate Cupcake, and it's pretty old, to be honest. So, I don't know when these things expire, but that's pretty old. Let's see what else I have in here. I have some makeup. I have the Bare Minerals Bare Pro powder. This is in Sandalwood number 15, and this is what it looks like. I don't really have a strong opinion of this. I have to test it out more. I actually just got a powder from CoverGirl and I have it on my face today, and I'm messing up my light. I literally feel like my skin looks flawless today from that CoverGirl powder. So I like it over this Bare Minerals one, to be honest, but I still keep it in my purse. All right, I don't know where to put everything. I have a couple different brushes in here. I have an IT Cosmetics brush, a fluffy one, and then I also have this one from BH Cosmetics, which just is like a flat top one. I don't even know why I have those in there. Oh, this is funny. I have mace in here. I think I brought this, I don't know where I brought this to. I think I brought this to Boston with me. I got a huge old thing of mace. Yeah. Forgot about that one. I also have, ooh, I was looking for my highlighter. This is the Anastacio Amrezy highlighter. I brought this to Boston with me as well. It is the prettiest golden wet highlighter that you would ever see. So I'm gonna put a little bit on because I feel like you can't, whoa, do you see that? It literally makes your skin look wet. So I was looking for this the other day, so I'm happy that I just found it. I also have a deodorant in here. This is from Tarte, and it is the Clean Queen Vegan Deodorant. So I got that. Oh God, just dropped it. I also have a bunch of business cards in here, just in case I see anyone out and about. But these are pretty old. I think I made these like 2 years ago. So as you can see, I feel like I don't even look like that anymore. It's a very like young picture of me, a little picture. I have a side pocket right here, so I'm gonna go through what's in there. It's a lot of like random miscellaneous things. I have a little mini Urban Decay setting spray for like travel. I also have an Urban Decay lip gloss. This is one of their Hi-Fi Shine lip glosses in Back Talk. So pretty. All right, I'm just grabbing it out by the handful because I don't know any other way to do this. So this is the remaining stuff that's in my bag. I have another Urban Decay lipstick in here. This is in Back Talk, so it's that pretty pink mauve. I got a lot of lip products. I also have the Too Faced Sweet Peach Creamy Lip Gloss. This one is in Papa Don't Peach, really peachy color. I also have a scent bird in here. This one is my favorite scent. Oh my God, I'm almost out of it. This is the Michael Kors Wonderlust, and I love this scent. It smells so good. And in store, I don't really love it, but for some reason, it smells so good in this. I also have two Buxom Lip Glosses because I'm obsessed with Buxom glosses. So I have White Russian and Blushing Margarita. And these just plump your lips up. They have a nice like minty tingling sensation and I love them. Highly recommend. And then I have two more things in here. This is a sad, sad day. This is the Kylie Cosmetics Dulce K lip liner, but look at the top of it. What in the hell happened to that? I wonder if I can go like this. Nope. All right, well, it's kind of broken right now. I'm gonna have to find my sharpener. And then the last thing I have in here is from the Brow Gal from Tanya Crooks. So I got this in my Boxycharm, but I got a dark shade, and my friend Michelle got a blonde shade. So we were gonna trade when we met up for the Boston event, but then we forgot. We both forgot. So I still have the dark brown brow gel in here from the Brow Gal. Okay, so that was everything in my purse. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will link my purse down below as well as my coupon codes, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye.